Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is going to be my very first Halloween makeup tutorial of this year. So I'll be doing a flesh monster look. So if you want to know how I've done it, then keep on watching. So I've just wrapped my head. Now I'm going to get the masking tape and I'm going to cover my whole face in this masking tape. I'm telling you, it is harder than it looks, I must admit. Just wrapping it around, it's like I've had a facelift. Like, seriously. Not good at all. But yeah, make sure you cover it all up. So now I've wrapped my head, I'm going to use the SFX palette from Superdrug. I've already painted my eyes black and now my lips. They don't have to be clean cut at all because you're going to cover the rest of your face in masking tape. So this palette I'm using is absolutely fantastic. It cost me £6 from Superdrug and the paint is amazing. So I'm just going over it like so. So now I've covered my face, I'm going to go in my foundation and cover the whole masking tape so it looks like it's my skin. So I'm going to keep going over it like so. So now I'm going in with my Revolution and I'm going to go with a brown. It took ages to get some type of brown in it. So I'm just going to go over so it looks like all dirty and old and evil looking. Like so. So I found a much better one. So I'm going to go over that again to give it that much darker, messy, dirty type of look. So that's what I'm going to do all over. Yes, the masking tape seems to be falling off, but I'll sort it out. Now we're moving on to the fake blood. I'm going to put it around my mouth and around my eyes so it looks very bloody. I'm also going to put it on the outside of the masking tape as well so it looks all bloody and gory, as you can see. So I'm just going to go over to make it all gory and bloody. So I hope you enjoyed that look. If you did, give this a big massive thumbs up and subscribe down below because this is my first Halloween makeup tutorial of this year. So I will see you again next time with another Halloween makeup tutorial. Bye my butterflies.